Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Christmas logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the logo button next to the t-shirt option at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section you can find the second option, the Christmas logo, and just select the template. And new, you can edit. If you want to add text to your project, click to the text button at the lower left corner of the screen, write your text, and if you finish, just click to the done button. In the font section, you can find different font type, which you can add to your text. And in the color section, you can edit the color of your text. And if you go to the shadow button, you can set shadows to your project. If you want to add pictures to your Christmas logo, click to the graphic option. This is the second option, and click to the photo. And here you can select photos from your device. And if you want to draw, just click to the doodle button and you can draw to your project. And if you go to the brush button, here you can find different objects. And for example, tap to the star button, and new, you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.